The power of financial goals. Setting your sights on success. Financial goals give you direction. They help you make plans and track progress. Without clear goals, it's easy to overspend and lose sight of your financial future. Think about what you want to achieve financially. Do you want to buy a house? Retire early? Write down your goals and how much they cost. Once you know your goals, break them down into smaller steps. This makes them less overwhelming and more achievable. For example, if you want to save $10,000, start by saving $100 per week. Remember, your goals can change over time, and that's okay. Review them regularly and adjust as needed. The important thing is to have a clear vision of what you want to achieve. Exploring the online goldmine avenues to online income. The internet offers countless ways to earn money. Explore options like freelancing, blogging, affiliate marketing, and investing. Choose paths that align with your skills and interests. Freelancing lets you offer services like writing, graphic design, or web development to clients worldwide. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with potential clients. Blogging involves creating valuable content around a specific niche. You can earn through advertising, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products or services. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on each sale you generate through your unique referral link. Investing in stocks, bonds, or real estate can generate passive income over time. It's important to research and understand the risks involved before investing. Baby steps, giant leaps, taking action, and starting small. Don't wait for the perfect time to start. Begin with small, manageable steps. Overthinking leads to inaction. Pick one or two online earning methods and focus on learning the basics. Create a simple website or online portfolio to showcase your skills and services. Start building an audience by sharing your knowledge on social media platforms. Remember, consistency is crucial for online success. Dedicate a specific time each day or week to work on your online ventures. As you gain experience and confidence, gradually expand your efforts. Explore new strategies, invest in your skills, and seek opportunities for growth. Section 4. The learning curve. Embracing education and evolution. The online landscape is constantly evolving. Embrace continuous learning to stay ahead of the curve. Invest in courses, attend webinars, and read industry blogs to stay updated. Join online communities and forums related to your chosen field, connect with other entrepreneurs, share your experiences, and learn from their insights. Don't be afraid to experiment with new tools and strategies. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to adapt to changes and seize new opportunities. Embrace challenges as learning experiences. Every setback offers valuable lessons that can help you improve your strategies and achieve greater success. Section 5. Consistency is key navigating the long road to wealth. Building wealth online takes time and effort. Be patient and persistent in your endeavors. Stay focused on your goals, even when progress seems slow. Develop a consistent work ethic. Treat your online ventures like a business, setting clear goals, deadlines, and action plans. Track your progress and celebrate your achievements along the way. This will help you stay motivated and on track towards your financial aspirations. Remember, the journey to online wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay adaptable, embrace change, and enjoy the process of building a successful online business. Section 6. Ready, set, earn. Your journey to online wealth starts now. Earning online and building wealth is achievable for anyone willing to put in the work. Define clear financial goals, choose the right online avenues, and start taking action. Embrace continuous learning, stay consistent in your efforts, and never give up on your dreams of financial freedom. The online world offers endless opportunities for those who dare to seize them. Start small, stay focused, and never underestimate the power of consistent effort. Your journey to online wealth starts today. Take the first step and watch your dreams turn into reality.